योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेनं लोपाकरुतं परवरं मुनिनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिं प्रान्तोऽस्मि। We all are waiting for a special day to start our fitness journey, whether it's being next Monday, date 1st of the month, or having a New Year resolution. But you know what? The best day to start is today. So let's begin today's video with a short beginning yoga routine. You just need a mat and you need to put yourself on the mat. The motivation to start the session. You can just sit in any of the cross-leg position. We'll start with centering. Centering is basically a yogic warm-up of your mind, just to prepare yourself for the next 15 minutes. Put your hands in Gyan Mudra, rolling your shoulders back, and just close your eyes. Just relax your whole body. Even if the mind wanders here and there, it's perfectly fine. You just keep your awareness back to your breathing. Now put the awareness on your body. Legs crossed, spine straight, shoulders rolled back, chest out, neck neutral. Inhale deeply. Slowly bring the awareness on your breathing. Inhaling expansion of your belly, and exhale, feel the contraction on your belly. Again inhale, expansion of your belly. Exhale, contraction. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Feel lightness, calmness in all over your body. Slowly open your eyes. Now we'll start the session with Kapalbhati Kriya. We'll just start with forcefully exhalation. Forcefully exhalation. Our body has a tendency to inhale itself. Just take a long deep breath in and out. Inhale and exhale. Start with 20 counts. Relax. Inhale long and exhale. Long deep breath out. Inhale and exhale. Start again for 20 strokes. Relax. Just feel the sensation all over your body. Now slowly come up. We'll start with standing asana. So come with your feet slightly together or inches apart. With an inhale, raise your arms to the sides. Turn your palm and shoulders. Raise your arms up. Interlock your fingers. Turn your palm up and stretch up. While stretching up, make sure your lower body is pressing down and your upper body is pushing up. Now if you're comfortable enough, just try to come on your toes, raising your heels up, and then exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. One last one, inhale up and exhale down. And relax, come back. Relax in Samsthiti. As we are doing Hatha Yoga, after every asana, we'll just relax. We'll have a resting position. Just to keep the awareness on your muscles. Just keep the awareness on your body, your legs, your upper back, your lower back. Inhale and exhale. Next asana, Uttanasana, standing forward fold. With an inhale, raise your arms up, stretch your arms up. The more your upper body stretch up, the more easily you bend forward. Bend properly, make a half T. Just maintain this position. If you have any pain, slowly go down. Normalize your breathing. Again, with every exhale, go more down. Your body is like a rubber. You'll automatically stretch down. If you have any pain on your knee or lower back, then you can keep it slightly bent. Try to touch your belly on your thighs. With an inhale coming up, again come in a half T position. More up, stretch up and relax. Again, come back in Samsthiti. Next, we'll doing is Utti Trikonasana. So feet 3.5 feet apart. Raising your height toe towards your 90, left toe slightly in. With an inhale, raise your arms up, stretch, and with an exhale, bend down. Both the arms should be in straight line. If you can go more down, go more down. You can either place your palm on your ankles or place this behind your foot. Open up your chest and hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Come back, change your leg position, turn your left toe to 90 and right toe slightly in. With an inhale, stretch up, stretch to the side, and with an exhale, bend to the side. Make sure both arms straight line. You can take the support of your ankle. Open up your chest, feel the stretch. Just like there's a wall behind your back. Just hold it over there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Come back. Relax in Samsthiti. Feel the stretch on your hamstring, lower back, chest and arms. Now next, come on your knees, kneeling down position, your knee in line of your hips. Come on your toes. With an doing Ustrasana, with an inhale, raising your right arm up with an arch back. Try to hold your right heel with the help of your palm. Left arm up, arch back, and try to hold your left palm with your heel. And just try to push your hips forward. Don't try to lean it back. Just open up your chest. Contract your shoulder blades together. If you're comfortable, then you can rest on your ankle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. The same way you went into the asana, same way you have to come back. Relax. Relax in Vajrasana. If you're comfortable sitting on your ankle, then you can sit. Otherwise, you can use a cushion or a pillow. Normal inhale and exhale. We'll be doing a forward bending asana after the backward bending asana. We'll be doing the child pose. Inhale, raising your arms up, stretch up. The more your upper body stretch up, more easily you will bend forward. With an exhale, bending from your waist. Slowly crawl forward. Try to rest your chin and forehead on the mat. Try to rest your belly on your thighs, your chest on your knees. And just relax over here. Feel the stretch lengthening up of your spine. Hold it over there for another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up the same way you went into the asana, raising your arms up and relax. Normalize your breathing. Now, come on your belly. Try to place your palm by the side of your chest, underneath your shoulders, heels together. With an inhale, slowly raise your chin up, your shoulders up, chest up. Try to press your belly button down, contracting your shoulder blades together. With an exhale, down. Again with an inhale, slowly raising your up. Try to raise your navel up, pushing your pelvic down on the mat, rolling your shoulders back. If you are not comfortable, you can come on the earlier pose. If you're comfortable, then you can raise your chin up. Inhale and exhale, hold it over there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly rest your belly down, chest, shoulder and forehead. Make a pillow of your palms and just rest your forehead on your palm. Relax in Makarasana. Normal inhale and exhale. Now turn around and lie down on your back while keeping your knees bent. Arms by the side of your body. Pressing your palm down and raising your hips up. Coming in Setu Bandhasana. Squeeze your butts and then hold it over there. You exhale down. Again inhale up. Squeeze your glutes. Your body is balanced on your shoulders and your foot. Exhale down. Again inhale up. Hold it there. Setu Bandhasana is very good to keep the blood circulation up towards your head. Exhale down. Now just bend your knees and try to press your knees on your chest. Come in Pavadmukta Asana. Just wrap your arms around your knees, pressing your knees towards your chest. Now try to do some rocking, forward and backward. Very good to stretch your back. Try to keep your chest in line or in touch with your knees. If you have back pain, then try to avoid it. One last. Now sit in any of the cross-leg position. Again, if you're comfortable in Sukhasana, Ardha Padmasana or in Padmasana. In Gyan Mudra, rolling your shoulders back. We're ending our session with Brahmari Pranayama. In Brahmari Pranayama, we'll just tighten up our ears with the help of your thumb. 3 fingers closing your eyelids, index finger on your forehead. Take a long deep breath in from the nostril. While breathing out, exhaling out, we'll exhale the sound of for as long as possible. So just close your eyes with the help of your thumb. 3 fingers closing your index finger on your forehead. Take a long deep breath in. vibrations and all over your body. Now without opening your eyes, just lie down on your back in Shavasana. Your feet half feet apart, toe pointing out, hands by the side of your body, palm facing up towards the ceiling, fingers half closed, half open. Just take some time to connect yourself with your breathing. With an inhale, feel the expansion of your belly. With an exhale, feel the contraction on your belly. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. You can just close your eyes and just listen to the instructions. Just feel with an inhale, you can feel the expansion of your belly. Exhale, contraction. Inhale and exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Feel the lightness, calmness and all over your body. Slowly turn around. Slowly come up in any of the cross-leg position, keeping your eyes closed. Rub your palm. Feel the warmness in your palm. When you can feel this, just place it on your closed eyelids, on your cheeks, your shoulders, your chest, your abdomen, your legs. Now slowly try to place your palm in front of your eyes. Slowly open. And namaste. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like and subscribe.